Ready to ditch buffering and unlock a world of premium streaming sources? Let's dive into how to supercharge your Stremio experience with Real Debrid. First, open Stremio, head over to the Addons section. You'll usually find this in the left-hand menu. Click on Addons. Now, you'll need to install a compatible add-on. A popular choice is Torrentio. Browse through the available community add-ons, find Torrentio and click Install. Once installed, navigate to Torrentio add-on settings. Look for the Configure or Settings button for Torrentio and click it here. You should find the Real Debrid integration option. It often says something like Authorize Real Debrid or Link Real Debrid account. Clicking this will generate a unique authorization code. Copy this code. You'll need it in a moment. A new web page will automatically open with Real Debrid requesting you to input the authorization code. If you aren't already, log into your Real Debrid account. On that page, you can do that by going to realdebrid.com. Now paste the authorization code you copied earlier into the Real Debrid website and confirm the link. Stremio and Real Debrid are now linked. And that's it. Now, when you select a movie or TV show, you'll see Real Debrid sources listed among the streaming options, offering higher quality streams and a vastly improved viewing experience. Enjoy buffer-free entertainment.